Hello student, today I am going to tell about the summary of a story, The Thief, written by Ruskin Bond. Students, in this story, Ruskin Bond focuses on basic human values and relationships. The story is about a 15-year-old thief named is Deepak. This story highlights the importance of learning and education and the consequences of its deficit. Education can be a useful tool in grooming a person to think, to do, and conduct his affairs in a manner conducive to societal and personal good. Students, Deepak was an illiterate teenager who had developed a bad habit of stealing, and Arun, on the other hand, was an educated and responsible adult and compassionate in his makeup. Deepak meets Arun in a street scuffle and marks him as his next victim. He develops friendly conversation with him and talks him into giving him a job as his cook. However, he does not know how to cook. Arun not only helps him learn cooking but also teaches his basic writing. Arun does not earn regularly, so often could not pay to Deepak. Instead, Arun feeds him and teaches him to make up for his failed remuneration. Deepak starts to fancy himself as a writer, aspiring to become a very successful one. Also, he finds a way of stealing a portion of the shopping money Arun gives him as his personal stress. However, things take a strange turn one night. Arun comes home carrying a lot of money. He seems happy and goes to sleep, safekeeping the money under his care and covers it with the pillow. That attracts the thief in Deepak even though they both have developed strong ties of trust and care. Deepak finds it hard to resist the lure of easy money. Stealing has been the skill he was best at. So he springs to Arun's room, slides his hand under the resting body of Arun, and steals the money without alarming his friend. Now, with a mix of fear and guilt, he decides to run away. He escapes to the train station, all set to board the next departing train. However, in an unpredictable development, he cannot find enough strength to get on the train. The train leaves and he left without any place to go to. He wanders swimming in guilt to an open field. He rests his body on a bench still troubled by his sinful act. To make matters worse, the rain clouds start pouring down and he gets completely drenched in. Clothes he runs for cover under a stall. Now the emotions get the better of him. He feels ashamed and guilt of drenching the faith on one person that actually cared for him. Name is Arun. He builds enough determination to face his victim and correct his blunder. He sneaks back into the house and then into Arun's room. He puts the money exactly where he took from, with Arun seemingly in the deep sleep. In the next morning, Deepak wakes up to find Arun preparing breakfast. He woke up earlier than usual. He calls Deepak to his room and hands him a 5 rupees note. He assures him that now he will give regular salary and he would most have to steal anymore. Deepak is shocked to see the money still weighed from the previous night's downpour in the field. He realizes Arun's magnanimity and love. More importantly, he still trusted him. That day, Deepak learns to write his own name, and from there on in, Arun and Deepak become even stronger friends. Thank you, everyone.